The latest rumors, speculations, and talk about the iPhone foldable phone. Let's talk about it. So, starting off right away, this foldable has been reported it's coming out next year. There's been reports it's coming out in 2029. There's been reports it's coming out in 2028. It's kind of like the Pixel Fold when that first was, talked about and kind of rumored a million times. There's no exact date or time when this phone is going to be coming out. We're just going to have to wait pretty much and hope eventually it does come out. I think that's really what it comes down to. So the release date of September 2026, I think overall wise that's incorrect. I think realistically speaking, I would say 2027 because I think it's going to take another year before we really get to that point. Price tag. This is very much where we are seeing this price tag right now being rumored. Anywhere from $2,200 to $2,600. So $2,400 in the middle there makes perfect sense. Battery size, 5400 to 5800 millihertz battery. We have a 24 megapixel under display camera facing camera. Creaseless display. That's another thing that has been talked about a lot now, is that it's going to be a creaseless display. And they're like, there's a lot of reports right now of, oh, Apple figured it out. Apple figured it out. I don't know how Apple figured it out when they don't even have a prototype yet. But apparently Apple has figured out the creaseless display concept when it hasn't even been truly even shown off to anyone. If you know anything about Apple, Apple keeps everything tight-lipped to extreme measures. There's no way we would even have any concept if it's creaseless or not. Now, bezels are going to be as crazy as you see on the screen here. It's a first-gen phone. But the good thing is, because of the Z Fold series and because of other foldable phones, there is a lot of technology that has been advanced to a point where we're going to see a lot of cool features in a first-gen product from Apple. That's why Apple waited so long, and that's why they're waiting so long to release this, is because they want to have all the best features in their foldable cell phone. They don't want to release this with, an outdated type phone concept. They want this to be the best of the best, which obviously price tag would show that. And by the way, we're talking about $22 to $2,600. We're talking about the 256 gigabyte model. 512 and 1 terabyte, which we can assume will have options, will be up to $3,500. So, little side note, if you do want to pick up the more higher end storage options, they will be insanely priced. 7.8 inch inner display. Based on what I've seen, 8-inch inside display is kind of the standard at this point with this, especially if it comes out next year or the year after that. 8-inch inside display will probably be a thing. 5.5 out of display. Again, that might be also a little bit different as well. But for the most part, it's going to be expensive. You're going to be spending an arm and a leg for it. But that's Apple. And if you buy Apple, you already know that. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.